Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at a connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? We've got lots of short words. That does make it harder, I think, because there's so many possible options. Electric guitar, rhythm guitar, air guitar. Don't know what the fourth one would be, and I'm not completely convinced that rhythm guitar is a thing. What else could we have? Sheet music, that's kind of connected. We've got zip and drive, so maybe it's going to be zip wire instead, because it's not going to be things that can come before drive, because then they wouldn't put zip and drive next to each other. So if it's zip line, guideline, airline, slide line, direct line. Direct line is an old British company. Don't think it's going to be famous enough to be in this game, but I mean, maybe Direct Line is something else in America. What else? What is tiff going to be? There's tiffin, that's a cake. There's tiff as in an argument, but I don't see how that is related to any of the other words either. So, don't really know. I mean, that's for one that feels like it should be the way into this puzzle because it seems so unconnected. But I've got no idea what to do with it. A leaf and a sheet are bits of paper. I mean, there's not even the word page in the grid, is there? You can have a coating of paint, a light film, a sheet. What would the fourth one be? You can have a light coat, a film, a sheet, a leaf, maybe? I don't think it's any of the others, so I'm kind of at a bit of a loss, so we will try that. It is correct, they're just all thin layers. Okay, we're off and running, that's good. Oh, pilot, drive, direct, they all mean the same thing. And guide, there we go, that's a very easy one I should have spotted earlier. They all mean to steer. Right, what next? I'm still wondering if there's guitars. Those are definitely guitars. A zip guitar, a tiff guitar. I mean, slide and rhythm are definitely connected with music. I just don't know what the other 4 would be. But I suppose we will try these 4. They are correct, they're just guitars. Okay. And then what are these 4? Mid is obviously modern slang. Don't know about tiff, zip and dock, but it's plausible that they're also slang for something. I don't really know. They're just file extensions. Well, obviously I've heard of dock and zip. Not sure I've heard of the other 2, but it doesn't matter because we put the correct 4 things together with no errors. That was a bit of a tricky one, but there weren't a lot of red herrings in the end. Once you actually worked out what the groups were, it just took me a while to work out what the groups were, as we said. Maybe you did it faster, maybe you did it slower. Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.